Okay, so I'm going to record the video. Will you mind? Okay, I will upload this video. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir, and everyone. Thank you for giving me chance to tell about today's topic on the accident of Coromandel Express. Thank you for giving me this chance. The Coromandel Express accident was held in Odisha state few days ago. It was a huge accident which was happened after the in 28 years of Indian history. This accident was held in Odisha state, and for this accident, above 200 people were died and above 1,000 people were injured. I am going to discuss how the accident happened. There are two opportunities of the happening of the accident. I think what we recently seen in the video that there was a loop line in every line of train, and this Coromandel Express entered in a loop line and entered in a line where already a goods ship were stand. And when the Coromandel Express entered in the loop line, then it get on the goods ship, and there the accident happened. When the accident happened, the compartment or coaches of the Coromandel Express in the others gone to the others line, and after that, after some time, when another express that is Bangalore to Howrah Express was coming, it got stuck with those compartments which were there in the others line. And another reason which can be that the train was at about 128 km/h, and when it was coming, it goes out from the line and it fall onto the goods stream. And as the train 80% of the train cross the goods stream, but the 20% which does not cross, that was nearly about 5 or 6 coaches or compartments, they fall onto the other lines. And when the Bangalore Howrah Superfast Express coming, it stuck the coaches, and the accident was taken more furious. Accident was taken as where was the most furious. I wish that which people are injured or admitted in the hospital, they got their treatment very good, and they come to their home as soon as possible. I think the government should take some activity to that this kind of accident not happen in further days, or in the sudden of the days. This is my thought about how the accident was made. Thank you for